Kerenyo na Nyansiongo, Ruto is spending 1 million per day per ward gosoki Matiang'i. Abantu abe batumire gocha gosoki Matiang'i. And we will not allow that to happen. Lakini Nyasaye nomia. Opinion poll chia soki. Monto tayora which candidate chia Matiang'i. In fact, as a candidate chire chiko mnyokan chiko sukuma na keigo, ne candidate chia Nyansiongo na ende chionsi ne chia Matiang'i. Na chibuanete with a very small margin. Una Nyamira, Kristo Siemo is ahead by very far with 43%. Umuntu kumubwatia oyure involved amangana ichi bonus ichi wende kumanyana ki nkairuta ira chibese chie bonus kurukunyandieka igari 21%. Umuntu kurukumunyanja ale 9% na munyanjo nere no musani ito we nere no muntu otali kurwani Matiang'i. Umuntu obegete yellow oyino muntu taite gosoki Matiang'i. Tocha sa kurukunyansiongo oniga a candidate yermotu ne ya PDP at 34%. Okubwati you very closely no yokuruku Kevin Maranga at 30%. Umuntu UDA ga karale bobe 13% tago ikera. Naende toche Kerenyo. Ikerenyaro eka competition in Karo. Lakini we are going to clean that. Ongaro is at 36%. Jeremiah Ongaro oyo UPA. Iyo kuruku Francis Amenya igade 26%. 36% Ongaro, 27% Amenya, Shem Nyanumba 14. But I want to tell you this. Abanta baba UDA, the candidates, igonda iteko basabaiga. Chikure chichikoera. Daki, I hope moga chechibese chicheko bakonya. Ino wale candidate chia UDA. Chibese mokwe unechi nyinge. Kurechi mba konyara with UDA. Ekene togoteba. Abantu neragero bale. Eni maitemba tuare supporters bakego. But the truth is this. Erine home turf ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Naende Nyamira. Ababako gendo ebako enda kumochecheria. Segiye is between Fred Okengo Matiang'i na William Ruto. Ayorocho mogusi buna bono na intoku Rwanda totaite toike tobeko mwano itabe president. Oroche mbatigo a candidate ya Matiang'i bachikobeko monto UDA gosoki Matiang'i. It is not possible. Niwete bagwe akege kuba bunanko iba bali chikura. Chikura nkaibako iba my friend Lawrence. Intutata tuwe bangete with our candidates, with our teams, chikure tokolenda bia. Naende I want to warn particularly the Speaker of Nyamira County. Chi impeachment ye chino mogo kora motomire na Ruto, it is okay, you can go ahead. But I want to tell you, trying to interfere with the election of Kerenyo, na yenywete baba angete gocho hoteli yao, kubangeroro na kibako iba. Be very careful. Tonyora kuwasambe hoteli yao for no reason. Kolega asi yao yobo speaker. Everybody campaign a candidate and finish at that. Amangana gotema ko influence chikura. I know muatemire gokwanira abantu ba IBC. Abantu ba IBC na abalimu. Abalimu you will not bribe them. Abalimu bachandire na Ruto bobe. Muabachandire payslip. And they will not allow you to influence the votes. These are people babwate gentuke ku integrity. Nyansiongo every returning officer ya lengo ye ward nero ya tumegete go change chikura na keko gera tubwate by election goniga. We will not allow that to happen again. Tumejipanga, tutakuwa hapo kuchunga kura, na mimi naambia kuna MPs marafiki zangu wako pande hiyo nyingine. Tuheshimiane. Hata hao najua watapata nafasi pengine ya kuja kuongea, lakini nakwambia hivi, Nyamira asakuru kunyamaiya a candidate ya Matiang'i na erego chwake rwekura ikina kiekene. Candidate ase Nyansiongo ne candidate ya Matiang'i kubwa. Onde bwensi okubwa Nyansiongo na bale motwe na aba Matiang'i. Mugusune erore motwe akubwati closely na Kevin Maranga 30% oyonde gakare 13%. The other week it was the other way round. So they are competing amongst themselves. Both of them na abantu ba Matiang'i. Tocha sakuru kwe Kerenyo. Jeremiah Ongaro igari motwe. Oyo kumubwati Amenya is 27%. Na ende na roro mheshimiwa Nyamoko oyunsigete sane chairman yaito kagotebna oyaro lerwa mabera akirwe kura because he has been running for so long. Onyo utagete koira chikura igare ko ende party yomogusi PDP Kenya Social Congress, Kenya National Congress, chipati nchiro chinyinge chiomugusi. Tali party ego checheria Matiang'i. Naende. Chivese bagutumia gosera 1 million per day for the last 40 days. I want to ask them. Chivese chimware ko monto no 2-3 million shillings acha kere hardware. Tinka geritigo se monto ekera bantu bakumwakire kura ba mopimire. Number 1 ba mopimire ba renarki na isaine. Lakini naende etogoteba iga no choru asenge nchore nsemo ya Matiang'i. You must perform. You must perform for the people that will elect you. Igo obora itali na Matiang'i ache kubwato monto koboko iga achorwe. Oyo onde iga achorwe. No eno bochumbo bwa 2027. I'm telling you no eno bo governor. Matiang'i boniga is doing opinion polls. He's doing opinion polls komanyana ki to basa kumutalira mono, yet there is a more popular person on the ground anyoro mutigire okoiraye echikumuchanda chikura chia ichobo president. He does regular opinion polls, and I'm telling you it is out of chipol chiritu awere togokora na chichiagerete tokamanya the popular candidates bakacha bakakoraki bakaya nomination tickets chia UPA na PDP. So what we are saying is this: ababonsi bakoboli chikura ochakira omuntu okuruku Chris Osiemo, Nyandieka, Munyanja n'abande abakuruku Mugusu, Kevin Maranga, Kebaso n'abande, Jeremy Ongaro, Amenya, Shem Nyanumba n'abande bonsi n'aba Matiang'i bonsi. Lakini aba babegete yelo igo babegete ochikorokia amachaya ase Matiang'i asengenjo ekero keria kuboria Ruto ete komochecheria na aba banda gutuma bacha kumurame ground bate amna mugusita bwenereti mugusita isaini ekina kiegento mutaete gokorregesa kukyo mugusi. We will not allow that to happen. Temete korenta Kevin Maranga na Mugusuamo bagakwanerwa kerba kwanerwa abantu ba UPA party baruba kaenda bagachake campaign very aggressively. Only for that ekeretu achete gokora opinion poll tokanyora oyubwe kanero renge ground ige graph kia ige kabaigoro oritu atagitati giroyo onde atikonyore gasi ase county ekanyorekana te kunyarekana no yonde nerto gachikomotebi tokanyora their supporters ebagoteba goko Rusi Lawrence chikurangete na tokobekera geteno yo at that point obegete t-shirt ya yellow aya naende bacha bata Kibagendi tigera Lawrence Kibagendi supporters ba bata goko Rusi Kibagendi ntokobekera Lawrence etokobekera getena. You see, so we say let all of them run. The candidate that will win, especially in Nyansiongo, no yomo, no ne candidate ya Matiang'i.
How do you saying
on the 30 Oyoko babwati gare 13. The other one, the other poll oyonde garenge 28, oyonde 25. Oyonde reo tigaire actually improve record 12 gocha 13. So the polls keep changing, but the top two are the same. What we are saying is this: how I wish mbaigwane bakorega asiamo lakini asengencho supporters babo na baro meteli ansa tugateba tiga bakoreki tiga bagende bonsi amo one of them will win, and you know the margins are very small. They are both candidates. Umuntu nabore rara akore trick gete emokonye lakini etogoteba iga gaki abantu baito moso Matiang'i egente ketogokora it is Ruto versus Matiang'i. Muroche buna Ruto abekire chibese more than 200 billion shillings chigo tumeka mbere kotema million.
Okay,
200 umaitobo chumbe is 20 to 30 million lakini bono gari they've spent over 200 million. A deputy president no emenyete SGCS no chimenyete indagera yonsi ya relief food ebwente kwanda notice no ere mbere kotema korokia kubwarigati aya oche western naende naro natembea nere igago sugumwa Malava constituency piwali korokia elinda orokibuna nabwate support lakini taitenko boliga 2027 Ruto ino akabwati bese chichionsi nechi MPs chichionsi chigo concentrate chiwodiech. Everybody will be fighting for themselves. He'll be fighting for himself. Naende I can tell you right now national polls bono tigango tebi Ruto nero tangaine lakini gata ngaine na 21%. Matiang'i akumubwati closely with 19%. Umuntu okurukwa Kalonzo no ari gabwa kumubwati na 15%. Rigiji no ari na 9%. Maraga no ari na is it 5%. manya mpaka umondo kurukus Edwin Sifuna nere no are na 3%, yeah. Lakini one thing I want to tell you, abantu mbali bakuruku 25% undecided. Before that, if you combine chikura chia Matiang'i, Kalonzo, Rigiji, ababo opposition bonsi, ebabwete Ruto times 2. Lakini there is 25% are undecided. These undecided voters at the national level, 25%, they at least va make epirengere biabo clear nambari wakera Ruto asenge nchomba maite Ruto no aletebe. Their focus is ebakwe boli na ki between Matiang'i okoewa, Kalonzo okoewa, Rigiji okoewa. So etogo sabaiga abantu baitu gusimba basa gutosokia no igwete basa gutosokia sengencho Matiang'i gakubuno ene ward yemo graph kya igekwira nanse babo Rigiji bamotebia etata ward okubuwe ward. You see, that will mess up his standing. Boni gento nataka to discuss monoga ankoeresere ne ye 25% undecided voters. About 25% undecided voters is because they have decided at least mbali wakera Rutere. Boni bata etekora between Kalonzo na Matiang'i Rigiji ningo ba ngoko ewe ticket elinde basororo ekerebare a united opposition. Oroche Matiang'i pakochire kwa ewe kirogo gekoroku a deputy party leader ya Jubilee. Boni go huru buna agenda ngumbu iga tigera Matiang'i acting party leader. Igo, we have an opportunity. Na ende kero uru akubwatira okoboko. Igo, you are a formidable candidate. Formidable. Oroche at 19%. Uyo tenrete enso kobeku news kira lituko. Ogote na igo ire chichikuru ga, chipara ga, housing ga, are just at 21%. Oroche to weti Matiang'i chiwodi echisato. What will happen? He will leapfrog him. Naende. Ababa undecided will know that this is a force to reckon with. Number 3, ababa kuminyokani nabo for the leadership ya presidential ticket ya Kenya in the united opposition. I want to tell you, they will respect him more naende na eroch kwa ewe ticket. Manya kuruongo tebiga. When a sitting president is ranked at 21%, that is a very, very unpopular person. Imagine, indika ako korega asikorua acheguika 50% plus 1. Nenyarekane naende gento kende Kenya ye ekerota likoba supported na Mount Kenya, you can not win elections to wiki 50% plus 1, and that is why Matiang'i has an extremely high chance oroche uru mubwatira okoboko to kubwati by election yechi babo Rigiji bono nkomanya bale uyo nabwatite area yae. They will adjust and he